Introduction to Knowledge Management Tools for Students.
Staying organized and remembering what you learn is essential for student success. Knowledge management tools help you store, organize, and recall information efficiently. In this list, discover 7 top tools that make studying easier, boost retention, and keep your notes in order. Whether you're in high school or college, these tools can make a real difference.
1. Evernote.
Evernote is a popular note-taking app that lets you capture ideas, organize class notes, and clip web articles all in one place. With powerful search features and easy syncing across devices, Evernote helps you keep everything accessible and organized for study sessions, group projects, and exam preparations.
2. Notion.
Notion combines notes, project management, and databases in a single platform. Students use Notion to create study guides, to-do lists, and collaborative workspaces. Its flexibility allows you to customize pages for different subjects and integrate calendars, making it an all-in-one learning hub.
3. OneNote.
Microsoft OneNote is designed for students who want a digital binder for all their notes. You can type, write by hand, draw, and add multimedia, all organized in searchable notebooks and sections. With cloud integration, your notes stay safe and accessible from any device.
4. Quizlet.
Quizlet turns your study notes into digital flashcards and practice quizzes. This tool makes memorization easy with games and AI-powered learning modes. Share study sets with classmates or use millions of public card sets to prepare for tests and reinforce key concepts.
5. Google Keep.
Google Keep offers a simple way to capture ideas, create checklists, and set reminders. Color-coded notes and labels help you stay visually organized. Integrated with Google Drive, Keep lets you access your study materials from anywhere and share notes with friends or classmates.
6. Trello.
Trello is a visual task manager perfect for students managing projects, assignments, or group work. Use boards, lists, and cards to keep track of deadlines, plan study schedules, and organize research. Trello helps you see your workflow at a glance and stay on top of your goals.
7. Zotero.
Zotero helps students collect, organize, and cite sources for research papers and projects. It automatically saves references from articles, books, and web pages. With the ability to generate bibliographies in various formats, Zotero simplifies academic research and makes citations stress-free.
Conclusion: boost your learning with the right tools.
Choosing the right knowledge management tool can transform the way you study, take notes, and manage information. From organizing your class materials to preparing for exams, these 7 tools support effective learning and time management. Explore them to find the perfect fit for your study habits and academic journey.